Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker Marshall Middleton with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click Enter. And right here at the top, click at the Add Bluetooth or other device. Bluetooth. Now press and hold this button to turn on your speaker. And after that, press and hold this Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Here we go, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!